Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see string functions which are available in Postgres. By defaultly, we can ready-madely use to jumpstart these string functions. Very simple functions are available to improvise our query and result set and speed up our work to writing by using these string functions with the help of these. Now let's see begin with these string functions, most popular string functions one by one. First of all, I will tell you about ASCII. There is an ASCII character of keyboard characters are there, no? Like ASCII character, what is the digit it will comes, and reverse case. The character if I use the function and ASCII value it will comes. We will see those examples. Select ASCII ASCII of the parenthesis the value of A, the capital letter A we will see. What is the ASCII value of like a character capital A? Now see, it is on a 65. Defaultly it's showing. Have you seen here? In programming, this is a very important to know. While using a JavaScript, we need to compare at the client level place. Once he is entered the A, the system will it is treated as a 65 in inside, and the interpreter will taken care to conversions will happens to the human reads it's an A it will be represent, whereas in the system either any operating system you will consider it whether it may be Windows or Linux or any other, it will be treated as an ASCII character value. It's in a 65 it will be treated. Strongly remember. And if it is in a B, what is the ASCII value of the B? We will see here by changing the capital letters of B here. Run the query. Where we go? There's a 66. And all alphabets of which are available, you check it, and numbers also you can check here. What is the 2 of a ASCII character? It's in a 50. You check with the A to Z and the symbols, all the keyboard characters which are available, you will get it with the predefined ASCII method to you will get all the data information here. Similarly, the next function is to know the character ASCII value. Alright, if I entered 65, what is the character it will comes? Now is a simple method is C like C it will start with a CHR only, right? CHR 65 I'm specifying here. What it's happening, we'll check. 65, the numeric number, it's not required, it's these numbers. Now let's run this. Now see here the text of a character, it's coming, it's A. What ASCII method will do, the quite opposite, the reverse of this char function will do. The char function is in a CHR. Alright, and if I pass 50 here, it's coming 2 and 50, 53. I hope it's enough 5. That's it. You check all the keyboards, the keyboard keys to check which character which is coming here. It's very simple and pretty easy methods. And now the next function and next predefined string function is concatenation. Concatenation. This is very important method. Why? Because once we want to issue first name, second name, third name as in a single string, as with the as alias name to specify by using concatenation also it can be possible. All right. Now see 3 digits are here. I'm concatenating with a common string like ABC here. Right. Now execute every concatenation statement with a string like a character with the comma is required to distinguish. Right. Now run. This is the basic syntaxes. I'm going to writing here. It's a basic syntaxes. Strongly remember for all string operations. Now execute here. Now it's saying that something is select concat here. And the three columns I have specified with the terminator here. Execute. Yep. Sometimes the query window, sometimes it may happens if it is an empty line, it will be treated, it's not terminating the statement, and it's still trying to execute empty line also. So always better to practice and with the terminator of the statement. All right. Now see, the string it is showing is a common simple single string only. If any space is required between these three, what I will do here, it's all of your imagination. Space I have given, see here, how I am space I am giving. Space, that's it. ABC, it's in a common string, it's showing now. With the space, it's showing now, right now. See how it is beauty. That is the simple way to concatenate the things. First name and second name and third name, if you want to concatenate as in a single thing, like you will use to concatenate function method and make it as, and if you require any spaces, you simply just take a copy, an empty string you pass there, that's it, space will be created automatically. How pretty easy that query is. And now we will see there is a left function is there. From a left character will return a given string, a simple left character only. If we want to get as an output of the given string, I'll write you simply. Let's see here. So left method is there. Left from ABC, I'm taking in a simple understanding string here. ABC, comma, space, one letter after left. I want to only as an output. Now run the string here. As an this is a, I have to treat it as a string. I have to specify these two parameters. One a string, and from the string one character is required. Now press this one it is came here almost as the left, and the second we'll check there AB. If I want 2 from the left, if I want 3 here, not 23, oh sorry, 3 if I want, press from the left, it will be treated as 3, it will be written from left, see, D, E, F. If I mention here and left, if I am asking three characters from the left, it will be give you an a 3. All right. Now, one more example we will see for length of the given string. What is the length of given string? We can easily identify to know. For the length of the string is like a single parameter only. We will require h length of a string, given string. What is the length of this given string? It will tell. Now execute. It's 6. Shall we check it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. What is the length of the given string? We can check it. In certain time, such a scenario is raised all. We are creating a user registration ID as in a common way for a group, the commonization like a 10 digit or 12 digit number, common uniformity number we are providing to the user. In such a situation, sometimes the number may occur like a 9 digit or 8 digit, something is happened. Such time we can catch the data automatically by issuing this. We will compare with the length and checking the parameter that column value length, if it is like a greater than or less than or like a greater than or equal to 10, if it is matches the condition, then only we'll process appropriately the statement execution. Otherwise, we'll make an appropriate that record information to some other place, and we'll do appropriate decisions to take modification, which the requirement status over there will appropriately will happen in an action. Okay, and that is what about the length and the lower. We have discussed about the lower. The case sensitive automatically. If you want to present these all the capital letters into the lower, commonly it will be displayed the lower. How it is beauty, irrespective of some digits may be in the lower, some digits may be capital, whatever it, but it will treat you as a string completely. It will make it you, and then commonly it's a lower string only. Similarly, uppercase. The case sensitive it is in a upper it will show you. Irrespective of the digits, if you want to present any label printing, the usernames all require upper. You use this thing and take in a, you know how it is the user database it is entered. But you want to, the requirement is to create an uppercase letters only as a name of the person. You use that parameter of the column value, you insert between the upper function, and automatically as alias name you take it as, and it will comes automatically all the column names and the registrants names will come in uppercase only. All right, and one more thing here, it is MD5. It's a wonderful beautification of a MD5 function method is there, like encrypt MD5. Yes, encrypt the data. If it is in a password, where most of the persons will use regularly to encrypting the password to insert into the database. Why? The once the password of the user doesn't know, even a system administrator or developer, whoever it may be, in real-time scenario, that is the security we are going to providing to the users of our application accessing users. All right. Now see, if I am passing MD5 method to the particular string, now MD5 string would be like this. This algorithm will automatically will runs and it will give you some string of MD5. The same thing, if you want to encrypt like password, you just simply the column of the data type column where you are passing here and do the MD5 encryption and insert into the database. That is a very pretty easy. And similarly, there is a method, one is here like a reverse is there, like a reverse. As just simple, yeah. Now run this, reversely it will print complete string. Yes. Now see here, I'll make you in a conveniently for making capitals. Now run this. See, ABCDF complete string is reversed. All right. And one more command, it's very important, that is trim. Also, you try to use R trim is there, L trim is there. The trim means it will be trimmed. If any unwanted spaces, like in the string will have either left side or right side. If any unwanted spaces are there, unfortunately, the user is entered like his name is like how this much space he has taken. This is the right frame, as I know I'm using R trim. If it is on the left side, I know that if it is I want to use in the left trim. If I don't know whether it is right or left, that time I'll use directly as a trim. It will take in care either left or right of the given string. It will be trimmed the complete space and it will give you a proper output is an ABC string only. It automatically eliminates the spaces like a string which is having either right or left. All right. This is what about all the important things of string functions. Yes, there is a one thing, it's very important and very much important, like substring. Yep, substring. Yes, we make it as a capital only. Yes, substring of, this is the word I'm using here. Like substring is a good example, I would like to explain you with date parameter, we will see. All right, and 2020 03 and 28. From this date, what I would like to see here, yes, these are the requirements. We'll see. Yeah. I am extracting substring, means I'm substring. This is the string I have passed here. From this string, from 1 to 4, I'm slicing the data of the given parameter. I'm slicing from this like a substring. This is the string I'm substring, making as a substring from these 4 characters. Like 2020 only I'm substring. Means 1 comma 4. From 1 to 4 letters I want to get as an output. Alright, see now it's in a 2020 here. The substring, anything, wherever you require as an part of the data from the given string or number that you can identify from the position where from you want to starting position and up to till where you require the data to be collected from the given string. You have to use substring. This is also very much required to have large strings, and you need to compare with the simple string to run multiple queries and run different statements to run that particular data. You use to substring and match with the data and do as you were wish to requirement. This is all about string functions. These all are ready-madely available. You simply thoroughly practice more and more. You will have simple queries by using these all the string operations like predefined built-in functions. You will write easily as your requirements to fulfill as an SQL developer. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.